Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a timer to PowerPoint slides. It will be really simple and easy. So it's useful when setting activities or coffee breaks, help your session to run on time. So how you can add it? To add a timer to your presentation, go to Insert tab and then go to Get Add-ins. There are a lot of different add-ins to choose from. You can get ones for QR code. For example, we are looking for a countdown timer called break time. Click add and then continue. Once the time has been added, it's available here for future use. So this timer here, it can be resized. You can move it anywhere on the slide. The default time is 10 minutes, but you can adjust it by clicking here. You can change it whatever you want. To change the background, click here and go for any background, and your countdown timer controls here. If you start your presentation, it's also visible during the presentation. You can easily click here to start and it will be counting down, and if you tap on stop, it will be stopped. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add a timer to the PowerPoint slide. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.